Ever feel like you're dragging through the day, exhausted and drained? We've all been there. But ditch the sugary sodas and skip the bland plain water routine. In this video, we'll show you how to create delicious and hydrating DIY drinks that will have you feeling refreshed, energized, and glowing from the inside out. So, get ready to unleash your inner brewer, and let's start with these healthy hydration hacks. The importance of hydration beyond plain water. Water is the foundation of life, literally. Our bodies are about 60% water, and staying hydrated is crucial for everything from brain function to physical performance. When we're dehydrated, we can experience fatigue, headaches, and difficulty concentrating. But plain water isn't always the most exciting option, especially on a hot day. Here's the good news. There are tons of delicious and healthy ways to stay hydrated beyond plain water. According to a study published in the esteemed Journal of Nutrition, consuming a variety of fluids can help ensure adequate hydration, especially for those who find plain water unappealing. Think of it like this. Water is the essential base, but with some creative additions, you can transform it into a fusion of flavors and nutrients to keep your body happy and functioning at its best. DIY delight. Fruit-infused water. Let's kick things off with a simple and classic option. Fruit-infused water. It's a fantastic way to naturally flavor your water, adding a burst of sweetness and vitamins. Here's what you'll need. A reusable water bottle. This will be your vessel for creating and storing your delicious drink. Opt for a glass pitcher if you plan on storing your infused water in. The fridge for longer periods, as plastic can sometimes absorb flavors. Reusable. Water bottles are a great option for on-the-go hydration and come in a variety of fun colors and styles to suit your personality. Filtered water. While tap water is generally safe to drink in most developed countries, filtering it can remove any impurities or taste that might be off-putting. There are a variety of home filtration systems available, or you can simply purchase bottled filtered water. Your favorite fruits, sliced. This is where you can get creative. Think citrus. Fruits like lemons, limes, and oranges, or berries like strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries. Other options include cucumber, melon, or even herbs like mint. Here are some additional tips for choosing fruits. Citrus fruits, a classic choice for a refreshing and slightly tart flavor. Lemons, limes, oranges, and grapefruits are all excellent options. Bonus tip, include a few slices of the peel for extra zest. Berries. Add a pop of sweetness and antioxidants with strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, or blackberries. Stone fruits. Peaches, nectarines, and plums can add a touch of sweetness and summer flavor. Tropical fruits, mango, pineapple, and kiwi, can add a vibrant and exotic twist. Cucumber. This is a great option for a refreshing and slightly cooling flavor. You can use slices or even smash the cucumber for a more potent taste. Melons. Watermelon and cantaloupe can add a touch of sweetness and a subtle melon flavor. Herbs. Mint, rosemary, and basil can add a unique and refreshing twist to your infused water. The how-to. 1. Slice your chosen fruits and add them to your pitcher or water bottle. 2. Fill it with filtered water. 3. Let it infuse for at least 30 minutes or longer for a stronger flavor. The longer the fruits infuse, the more intense the flavor will be. Experiment to find your sweet spot. Tips and tricks. Experiment with different fruit combinations to discover your favorites. There are endless possibilities, so have fun and get creative. Get creative. Add a sprig of mint or rosemary for a refreshing twist. Herbs like mint and rosemary can add a unique and energizing flavor to your infused water. Leftover fruit can be used in smoothies, yogurt parfaits, or baking. Don't let that delicious fruit go. From simple to savory, vegetable-infused water. Who says infused water has to be sweet? Vegetable-infused water is a great way to add a subtle flavor and a boost of nutrients. While it might not be for everyone, it's a fantastic option for those looking to explore different flavor profiles and add some extra vitamins and minerals to their hydration routine. Here are some ideas for vegetable pairings to get you started. Cucumber and mint. This classic combo creates a refreshing and spa-like drink. The coolness of the cucumber combines beautifully with the refreshing aroma of mint, making it a perfect choice for a hot summer day. Cucumber and lemon. This combination offers a light and citrusy flavor. The Cucumber adds a touch of coolness, and the lemon adds a refreshing zing, making it a great option for those who enjoy a slightly tart taste. Bell pepper and lime. This option adds a unique and slightly spicy twist. Bell peppers come in a variety of colors, each with a slightly different flavor profile. Red bell peppers tend to be sweeter, while yellow and orange peppers offer a more subtle sweetness. Lime adds a touch of acidity and brightness, making this a complex and refreshing drink. The how-to. 1. Wash and slice your chosen vegetables. Here's a tip. Slicing the vegetables thinly will help them release their flavor more quickly. 2. Add them to your pitcher or water bottle along with filtered water. 3. Let it infuse for at least 30 minutes or longer for a stronger flavor. Similar to fruit-infused water, the longer the vegetables infuse, the more pronounced their taste will be. Tips and tricks. Gently mash the vegetables to release their flavor. Muddling breaks down the cell walls of the vegetables, allowing their essence to infuse the water more readily. If the vegetable flavor is too strong, dilute it with more water. Start with a smaller amount of vegetables and adjust based on your taste preference. You can always add more vegetables for a stronger flavor later. Leftover vegetables can be used in salads, stir-fries, or soups. Don't throw away those leftover veggies. Repurpose them in other delicious and nutritious dishes. Electrolyte Powerhouse. DIY sports drink. Hitting the gym or tackling a tough workout, you might need more than just plain water. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium help regulate fluids in your body and play a role in muscle function. During exercise, you lose electrolytes through sweat, so replenishing them is crucial. Here's a simple DIY sports drink recipe to keep you going. 2 cups coconut water. Coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes, making it a fantastic base for a DIY sports drink. Look for unsweetened coconut water too. Avoid adding unnecessary sugar. 1 cup water. You can adjust the water content depending on your desired sweetness and flavor intensity. 1-2 lemon juiced. Lemon juice adds a touch of sweetness and acidity, making the drink more refreshing and palatable. A pinch of Himalayan pink salt, optional. Himalayan pink salt is a good source of sodium, an essential electrolyte. The how-to. 1. Combine all ingredients in a reusable water bottle. 2. Shake well to mix. Ensure everything is well combined for optimal flavor and electrolyte distribution. Tips and tricks. You can adjust the amount of lemon juice and salt to your taste preference. Don't be afraid to experiment to find your perfect balance. Add a splash of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. Natural sweeteners can provide a bit of energy and make the drink more enjoyable, but use them sparingly to avoid consuming too much sugar. This is a great base recipe, and you can experiment with adding other fruits or herbs for additional flavor. Think berries, oranges, or even a sprig of mint for a refreshing twist. The flavor factor, sweeteners and flavorings. Looking to add a touch of sweetness to your DIY drinks? Here are some healthy alternatives to sugar. Honey, a natural sweetener with a touch of vitamins and minerals. Maple syrup offers a delicious and slightly caramelized flavor. Stevia, a calorie-free sweetener derived from a plant. Crushed fruit, muddled berries or citrus fruits can add natural sweetness. Remember, moderation is key. Even natural sweeteners can add calories, so use them sparingly. So ditch the sugary drinks and ditch the dull routine. With these DIY tips and recipes, you can create delicious and healthy beverages that will keep you hydrated and glowing from the inside out. Hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy recipe ideas, and share this video with your friends and family. Let's all raise a glass of delicious DIY goodness, of course, to a healthier and more hydrated